Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork in the road, and today we're deciding whether or not I'm a sellout. That's right everyone, I might be a sellout. It's true. Some people might say that I've sold out because I have accepted product from companies and done reviews. I have received freebies and made videos based on them. Yes, I've been sponsored, product sponsored by several great companies who it's been a pleasure to work with. Icon, of course, who gave me the jacket I'm wearing right now. QuadLock, the company that sent me this fabulous mount and case. I got that camera from Icon Text last year. Fantasio was a company that sent me a couple mounts to just use in videos, and I've been very lucky. I feel incredibly fortunate. It's so awesome to be able to, this hobby of mine, to actually have it be something that others see value enough to send me things so that I can just talk about them, because I make no promises that the reviews will be positive. We don't even talk about that. I have been reached out to, and I have reached out to them, and it's usually, hey, I'd like to make some videos on your products, and they're like, okay, I'm sending you this, or okay, what do you want to review? And they send it to me and I review it. No stipulation of, if you don't like it, you can't do a video. Nothing like that. It's just purely promotional, which I appreciate. I appreciate the faith that these companies have that I won't make them look bad. And I appreciate the opportunity to share products that I think are good with you guys. Like, I don't know about you, but I love like regular dude reviews, regular person reviews. Way more than, like, I don't know, especially motorcycling gear, because if you search for a review of almost any specific piece of gear, the first result is a video from Revzilla. And I like Revzilla, don't get me wrong, I really like their videos, but they're overviews, they're not reviews. It's not a review, it's a dude in a studio standing in front of a green screen wearing the jacket, and then them just talking about how many vents it has and what it's made of. And I appreciate that, because it's difficult to go into a store and look at every piece of gear that's available, right? We do a lot of our shopping online. I mean, you can go to Cycle Gear, but their selection is limited. It's a small store. My local shops and dealers have some stuff, but again, it's a limited selection, and so online has way more options, and I appreciate the opportunity to see more than just a still photo and to hear about features. I really do. But my point is, when I'm looking for products or ideas or want to know how something is, I seek out forum posts of people who actually use the thing. Like, I find that more trustworthy for the most part. I want to know how easy it actually is to use, not what some company said or whatever. And so the best of both worlds is the YouTube reviews, where somebody, a regular dude theoretically, has used the product. And so that's why I try to combine both. I try to do an overview where you can get a sense of what the product is like, and give you my thoughts on it and use the thing, right? Hopefully that helps you make a decision. I don't monetarily benefit necessarily if you choose to buy the product. I do kick up some affiliate links, but I benefit if you buy anything from that link, not just the thing that I link. You're supporting the channel just by clicking on it. You don't have to buy the specific product. I've been reaching out to more companies in an effort to expand my review offerings. But as I've been reaching out and just looking at ways to connect with companies and get more products and exploring other benefits of having a YouTube channel, I came across this idea of sponsored videos. Basically, there are several websites that make it where creators can connect with companies that want to pay someone to make a video on their product. So it's not just the product, there's also money in it for you. And there is an element of the company gets final say on the video, but it's more of a, they get to decide. I guess they could just say, never mind, we're not happy with it, and they don't put it up. Not, hey, change this and say different things. They do sometimes ask you to talk about specific features based on what I've seen, because, it's their marketing copy or whatever. But the thing is, with those videos, you have to clearly indicate that they're sponsored anyway. I've seen some of my favorite YouTubers do it, and it's pretty clear when they're reading copy that the company's provided for them, and that's okay, right? My point is, I want to find ways to really encourage myself, to give myself reasons to continue making videos and more videos, and also find ways to finance, I guess, for lack of a better term, further motorcycle adventures or gear or whatever. So if there's a way that I can not compromise my, I don't know, moral integrity or my honesty, and really what I'm afraid of is losing the trust of my audience. I don't want to do that, because I appreciate you all and I don't want to say things that I don't believe or that aren't true, and frankly I won't do that. But if there's a way to combine what I already want to do, which is share cool products that I believe in with you and acquire product and maybe even get paid to do it. This is a cool new subdivision. I just like thinking around on the GROM in these areas. It's so fun. I want to do that. I think it's worth it, right? Like, so does that make me a sellout? Does it make me a sellout to find ways to get paid for the videos I was already making? I guess that's my question. The videos that I want to continue making. And I think sponsored content, so product sponsorship is what I've done so far. I'm talking about paid sponsorships. Does it make you a sellout? I don't think it does. I don't think it does. In my head, the answer is no, and that's because I wouldn't make videos about anything I didn't believe in, personally. No amount of money is worth, God, this sounds all high and mighty, but it's true, because no amount of money is worth lying to you or trying to sell you a product I don't believe in, or you know, to say things that aren't true about a product that I've used that are not my personal experiences. So I like to share things that I like with you. And if it ever came down to, I was like, you know what, I can't comfortably recommend this, I would just not make the video, I guess. Like, but I can't see myself ever engaging in a partnership with a company that I expect to not like, you know what I mean? Because, and the reason for that is, yeah, morals, yeah, I mean, it's true, I don't want to be a liar, but if I do that, I alienate my audience, right? And then you don't trust me on anything, and then I can't make any videos. So you're compromising your ability to continue to have an audience if you say things that aren't true. My question is, I said this already, is sponsored content selling out? And I don't think it is, so long as you don't make videos on products that you don't believe in. And I try to be honest, talk about the pros and cons of everything I review. It's very clear, and not only would I want to make it very clear when I was doing a sponsored video, but I have to legally. YouTube makes us. So I would say right in the beginning, hey, this video is sponsored by blah, blah, blah. I want you to see their stuff because it's cool. They shared me some stuff. They wanted to sponsor a video, so they did. I want to continue offering product reviews to you, and I obviously can't afford to go out and buy all the product. You know what I mean? Like, I can't buy multiple jackets and pairs of gloves every year just so I can make reviews. But so if companies want to send them to me in exchange for me helping people find out about their stuff, I think that's fair trade, and I'm stoked on it. And I don't know, I'm still mulling over this idea of getting paid to make specific videos. In my head, I think it's okay, but it's still got to be a case-by-case basis thing, you know? So you may see some of that from me in the future, and if you do, you tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel. There are other advantages to partnering with companies like that, like if you make a video for their stuff, make a video, an overview of their stuff, for instance, they're likely to share it on their social media, and you both benefit from that, stuff like that. Because we want to grow, we want to get bigger, we want Dork on the Road to be a worldwide phenomenon. My goal is 10,000 subscribers by the end of this summer. We are 3,000 subscribers away. That's not nothing. Any and all partnerships, leverages, and resources we can acquire to make content, I think are good things. So what do you think? Is getting paid to make videos selling out? Would you still trust the guy's opinions when he got paid to make the video? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for coming along with me on this here Grom venture. Gotta love the Grom ventures. Oh, that was vibrating. Oh, there it is again. Oh shit, it's because there's a stop sign right here. I figured out the vibrating. I got so excited about the vibration, I forgot to like pay attention to what the vibration is for. This stop sign is new. It's only been here for 6 months or so. Am I going? Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for continuing to watch. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, people, human beings really, don't forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. This is a highway, and I can't actually go highway speed, so maybe I shouldn't be on it right now. We're redlining this bitch.